You have been told that if you want to change your life, if you want to become a successful person, then you have to wake up at 5 a.m. And if you can't wake up before the sunrise, then you already falling behind. And you tried this, you tried to wake up at 5 a.m., you did journaling, meditation, yoga, but something still felt off. Do you feel that? If you feel that, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Soft Steps with Nimi, where we can deeply connect with ourselves. Today we have a topic. Waking up at 5 a.m. is not for everybody, and that's totally fine, guys. I also tried it. As in my videos, I always told that I was working in afternoon shift. I was working from 3:30 to 11:30 p.m. So I came to my home around 12:30, 12:45, and I slept at 2 a.m. Yeah, and I was thinking, like, I was also watching so many videos on social media, and it was like, if you want to become a successful person, then you have to wake up at 5. So in my mind, I was like, I want to be successful, then I have to wake up at 5. Then you know what I did? For 1 week, I started to wake up at 5. I went to bed on 2 and wake up at 5. I was taking just 3 hours sleep and then I started to do meditation, journaling, yoga and everything. But still I felt so, off, exhausted and unproductive whole day, because I was just taking a nap of 3 hours. And for our body, I think we need sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. And then when we take a 7 to 8 hour sleep, then we feel, energetic, more productive. It's not about like how you are when you are waking up. It's about how you are using your time when you wake up. So in this video, we will talk about like why this is not important for everybody to wake up at 5 a.m. First thing is 5 a.m. obsession. I think the routine of waking up at 5 a.m. is more glorified by social media influencers, by social media. Like on YouTube, we saw so many videos like, wake up at 5 a.m. your life will change. You will become a successful person. How is it possible? Like, for example, I am waking up at 5 a.m. but I'm doing nothing. My energy is like, oh my God, I need more sleep. I feel so tired. I'm not doing anything productive. So how waking up at 5 is useful for me? Okay, let's be real. You are watching videos like it's showing like woke up at 5 a.m. and you will be successful person. And you are waking up at 8 a.m. and you are thinking, oh my God, I'm already failed because I can't wake up at 5 a.m. But it doesn't mean, I think time doesn't guarantee you anything. Like, it doesn't mean that you will be more productive. It doesn't mean you have more clarity if you are waking up at 5 a.m. I think more important is how you are managing your time, how you are managing your energy, and where you are focused on. So I think most important thing is how you utilize your time, not like when you are waking up. Why people like the concept of waking up at 5 a.m. Okay, why people are obsessing with the idea of like waking up at 5 a.m. make you a successful person? Because in our mind, we feel that it is a discipline. We feel that it is hard to do and it is a noble thing to do. Yes, we can't deny that it is very good to wake up early, but it's fine if you can't wake up at 5 a.m. You can wake up at 7, 6. It's fine. But more important thing is how you are using your time. Okay, you are waking up at 5 a.m. and you are just scrolling your phone. You are just, talking with others. And you doesn't feel more energetic. Why? Because you are just wasting your time You are not doing the things that are aligned with your purpose. Okay, if you're waking up at 5 a.m. and you are doing the things that are aligned with your purpose, that is the meaning, that is the real meaning of waking up at 5 a.m. But if you are just scrolling, procrastinating, that doesn't mean it will help you in growing. Third part is science of sleep and success. Some studies shows that chronotypes, natural biological rhythm, really plays a huge role in your alertness. Like some people are early birds and some are night owls. Like some people are more focused at morning. Like we saw many videos, we read about it a lot. Like at morning we are more focused, we can more utilize our energy in a positive way. But no, it's for some people. Like some people feel more focused at night. For example, there are some successful people like Winston Churchill, Elon Musk. They are not 5 a.m. risers. They work until night. They feel like more focused at night. So are not they successful people? We can also be successful if we are working at night. It doesn't mean you have to wake up early to be successful. Sometimes we feel more energetic at night than morning. So it's fine if you are doing your work at night. It's fine if you are doing meditation at night. It is totally fine. Fourth part is habits that really build success. First thing is clarity. You have to be clear what you want in your life and why you want it. Like sometime in our mind we are not clear like what we want and why we want. We just want to do it because we are watching so many videos and they are saying do this and you want to do this. No. First be clear what you want and why you want it. The second thing is consistency. Showing up even when you feel unmotivated. Like sometimes we feel like I don't want to do this, I don't want to go there, or sometimes I don't want to speak. No, do this. Consistency. Don't do anything, don't do for 1 or 2 days. Do this continuously. Like sometimes we are not getting results in 1 or 2 months, but still try to do this. Third thing is discipline. Discipline is not only with time. Discipline is how you use your energy, like how you are using your hours. Discipline is quality of hours, not quantity of hours. Like you are waking up at 9 a.m. but you are using your time in a good manner. Like you are using your time that is aligning with your purpose. That is discipline. Fifth part is design your own rhythm. Try to create a routine that is aligned with your own rhythm. Don't try to copy other people's blueprint. Try to make a version that is aligning with your own rhythm. Like for example, if your energy is at the peak at night, try to make a routine according to that. If you feel more energetic at morning, try to make a routine like that. Don't try to copy other person's routine. Try to make according to like your alignment, what you want, like how you feel more energy. Okay, so next time if somebody tells you that success starts when you wake up at 5 a.m., just smile and remind to yourself that your journey doesn't have to be like theirs. You have your own path, they have their own path. It's not a bad thing. Like if somebody is waking up at 5 a.m., it's not bad that you are waking up at 9 a.m. It's not bad. Bad is how you are using your hours. Like more matters like quality of hours, not quantity of hours. It doesn't mean that you are waking up for 10 hours. It means how you are using. So try to use your hours in a positive way. Try to use your hours with the purpose of your life. Okay, so hope you guys like this video and we will meet you in next video. So till bye bye.